everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for the DNB Mobile Banking step by step. First, open your App Store or your Google and then search for DNB. Next, go ahead and download and install the official DNB app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app and choose the option to register or activate mobile banking. And then next, enter your personal information and your DNB banking details. You may be asked to confirm your identity using the DNB ID or any other secure verification method provided by the bank. Then follow the instructions on the screen to complete this registration and create your login security settings. Once the setup is finished, your device will be registered and you will be able to access your accounts through the DNB mobile banking app. That's how you sign up for the DNB mobile banking app. Subscribe